We're back like we never left. Whoop. We don't call our plenty atarodo, plenty pepper, plenty sauce on top of the level. Now Chukma gang, me and Papi.
Spending. You know.
Wait first. Your dollar still remain.
Yes, now. You put account number here, I'll give you a testimony something now.
I don't slide down.
Wait, I want to slide it. First, slide into my DM first.
Guy, you know sure. And again, with us, on top of the Chukma gang today, we get our home guy. I nearly want to talk something. What's class? I go talk now. No.
Look at talk what you do.
No talk. I beg. My home guy they here, Tunde, aka Tunampa. Tunde, how you doing?
I do all right too.
Now I smile for me now.
I dey smile now.
Smile
You know that I dey see you, I dey remember all these things where you do. So I just it dey pay me, but
this is the problem.
Make una just pretend saying I no hear that one.
Never do.
Scratch that. Brain freeze. Come back to reality. We move. But before we go drop this topic, I just want to ask you one question.
Drop it like it's hot.
3 of us we did this table. If you know say you never cheat before, raise your hand.
I never cheated.
Of course I fucked up. Who never fucked up?
I say raise hand.
I never cheated, bro.
You never cheat before? We move. We know the answer.
Let's understand.
Okay.
Cheat in exam or shit on woman.
No cheat now, woman or man.
My
Relationship wise.
It is in an exam on. Ask him the woman on.
Tunampa,
I
aka Tunde,
never
aka
cheat before.
Woman on.
Won't bite you.
Yes, I never cheated before.
Papi spending, you don't cheat before.
My name is Adeshino. Mama Shino.
Lagos.
I Shino for a reason.
You know ADA. Fine girl feeling fly. Random search. But we move. But we could talk about something really serious. In this era, we say cheating a deal breaker for relationship for some people, and people they struggle. You know, now so for some people they say it's easy for them, or for some people they struggle. Imagine say you go on social media, your timeline. As guys that they see different babes, you know, boobs out there, ass out there, bikini stains, and then for we the ladies, we see the guys with chiseled chest, well structured jaw.
Shall I show you? My own too is like that.
I don't see your own before.
See, for me, personally, now women be the most beautiful thing we God create.
Make some noise.
You get what I try.
Of course, I'm
here.
here.
So go on. I just want to put that one.
I didn't hear. No, say that women. I represent women.
Interruption is very welcome. I know where you go.
I didn't hear.
I know where you go.
But I'll go ask this question directly like this. Is it easy? How easy it is to stay faithful for your relationship? I will start with you, Papi Spending.
This topic you have given me to talk about is very, very hard for me to chukuma because I'm a victim in progress of cheating. I'm sorry. Now, we could break them down. Let's be serious.
Help me out.
You know, say normally, if you get favorite drink or maybe ice cream, a particular flavor, with the lick they suck. So there's this lick sorry, not like it suck. Some people suck ice cream, right? It go reach time we say that particular flavor of that ice cream go tire you, no matter how sweet.
Okay.
Some people go taste the ice cream first. Wow, guy, you don't like them. Don't tire me, Jerry. Now, so women be. Sometimes you go deal with woman and then you go realize, say, this baby what I deal with. We don't they do mommy and daddy. It don't tire me. The same pattern, the same style. In fact, I listen to all the old styles with the missionary, doggy, even Gateman style. You don't see that one.
69.
69. So I don't try everything with the same woman. Sometimes it feels very boring, and you go tired for the kind.
So you want spice them up with another woman.
I want to ask one question.
So me personally, if I deal with one particular woman, it had me to be faithful because I get tired easily. And especially in the sexual part. Because, now the same morning sound, I want to hear another ringtone. Something different.
Okay, make a call to
Wait.
Make a call to I want to talk something.
I want to ask her one question.
Okay.
So this is the way they talk now. Shena, you agree both ways. So if you get babe too, if she talk, say, I don't tire to the see office every time. So you go agree. Or this is the way they talk now because it be
my brother, if you want to talk to me direct.
Now you don't talk to direct. Now answer the question.
Say to chop your own, to have a taste of a medicine they had, no doubt.
Yeah.
But you know that at least let her not let me know.
Waiting be let her not let you know, but you do your own.
Wait, now this is what they call misogyny.
Okay, but before we go into that misogyny thing when you talk,
don't bring grammar, come on.
Make I hear your own opinion of the matter. Is it easy to stay faithful for your relationship? Make I hear your
personally. So me, I don't notice say human beings.
Okay.
I don't want to talk say we always they want more. We like what we like.
Okay.
We want what we want. You be human being. You know, say if you, I want make we dey pay attention to our nature.
Okay.
Because as human nature, we just want what we want. We want what we like.
Okay, we'll
We
get
like
our
what we like.
preferences, yeah.
But then, as human beings, we don't create this way we people they call social construct for ourselves. Say, okay, now like this, we supposed to do this, now like this, we supposed to do this thing. But you go to look and say, but this thing no make sense. According to our nature, you know, tally.
Okay.
So now why the cheating thing for me no be? Because I feel say
No be deal breaker.
no you do breaker because and my reason be this because I believe say you be human being first. I be human being, you be human being. So I can't see you say that I want me to live the rest of our life together.
Okay.
That don't mean say make you stop. Wait now.
Yes,
So that don't mean say make you can't start today. Make you stop with everything we like to do. Because of course you go see another guy who will say, I find this person attractive. You get. But
So,
because say you don't marry, you don't do anything. Why?
Wait,
Now this one
so
life.
make I understand you.
I
Sorry
hear
to
you.
cut you. Make I try
no.
understand you. Say now, for example, you propose give me and we'll start to live our lives together. I say that man when I find attractive, I feel walk up to you, tell you say I find this man attractive, and I go one knock him. You'll give me permission to knock him.
Why not?
To your knowledge. But
Wait,
To
no.
Napa.
Make I talk.
No.
Because again, see, I get friends who don't marry.
Okay.
I get older people who I know we don't marry.
Okay.
If you ask them, sometimes you just don't want to see your husband. Sometimes your wife will just vex. You just want to come out house. You
Then
just
there's-
need that.
there's
You
no
need that
true love.
freedom. You need that space.
There's no true love.
So the alternative
True
now
love.
to
They no be
go
say no
meet
love.
another
Wait.
person.
Which I tell you, no be say you no love the person. No be say you no still want to live the rest of your life with the person. But at that point, now what you want be that you just want travel. Come off for house for like 1 month, 1
Okay.
week. You just want another environment. Why I will stop you? Or why you will stop me? Because if you don't marry now. So I know if you do it, I won't do it again. You know if you do it, you won't do it again. How now I think makes sense.
But so that means say
Tunde
that
they use Oyinbo pattern.
Wait, no be
Now
Oyinbo
go sit
pattern.
down,
No be
put
Oyinbo
contract, say,
pattern.
We are going on an
See.
entanglement. I think
No
get the point now.
see, no be Oyinbo pattern. You think me I try talk be say,
Eh.
me would dey like I talk here, like me would dey pay attention to our nature as human beings. Because last,
The flesh is
we be
calling for
animal.
something.
We dey like to say, you no be animal. We be animal.
No,
You
social
get?
animal. Fine sex
upgraded, you know.
Upgraded than anyone. We be animal. So your nature na say you dey want what you want.
Okay, now so
You dey like
Tunde, make I
wetin you
ask you a direct question. You as a married man, or person wey inside committed relationship, you see babe wey you like, and your whole body one naka, your spirit, soul, and body
Yes.
one
I
naka.
go. So,
Jesus.
Then
so
you
now tell you
wait.
talk, okay.
Then you walk up to tell your woman, say, babe, man, I see this babe way, I want naka. I should go give you the permission to go naka. Wait. How you go feel about that your woman? We
Are
go
you
give you
playing?
permission to go knock another person.
Why I
What
go
type
feel
of
any
playing
type
is
of
this?
way?
Are you
No be
playing?
say I won't carry the person come house now.
So if your woman,
Now just say I
coin
go
now.
somewhere, I see babe wey I find
I dey
attractive.
try to understand
Say,
wetin
wait
Tunamba
now,
dey
I
talk
see person
o.
where I find attractive.
Uh-huh.
Just do what you want to do. Ask the person how far. If the person agree, me not do it and I don't want to do. Me na go.
Tunde,
move
no
on.
mean this way they
No be
like.
say wait, calm down. No be say you dey carry and go house.
Eh.
You get how you try talk. I'm saying wetin me I talk be say na our nature be that.
Tunde, you know,
But
So
we
that
don't
means that
create-
you and
wait.
your partner no dey emotionally involved.
apart
We
from
did-
that, you don't understand. Say,
Wait,
there are some
we
ladies
did-
that you have sex with once, they go attached to you. So let me say if you that guy for one, maybe Ghana, you come up for
Now
the
because
vicinity.
again we
It-
don't do the attach.
Deal
We
on
don't
my-
wait. See, we don't do the attach plenty things to sex. Sex not just sex.
No,
Sex no be just sex.
No. it
Sex
goes
not
beyond.
just sex. See.
Okay.
it goes beyond.
See,
Okay.
wait.
Person with this virgin, I say,
Wait, expose yourself.
it's not ordinary. The
Expose
person with this virgin, me, I
yourself.
still love her today. Don't tell me that.
Expose yourself.
Sex be like.
Sex is
say,
not ordinary.
That be like it did natural like say you dey chop, you dey drink water.
So you go
dey
to chop up
sleep.
and down.
You dey
No,
sleep.
today, no fit tell me
You
say
dey-
sex, let's say
They
the
give-
chop because
Wetin dey
I
different?
feel want to chop for restaurant A today. Tomorrow I want to chop for restaurant B.
Bam.
Next tomorrow restaurant C. So you want to tell
Now
me
why I
say
tell
sex
you
be like
say,
that?
now why I tell you say I like what I like. Sometimes you get one joint. Sometimes you get one joint where you see now this joint you just like. But sometimes you have to say, I don't
Ma,
want to
change the
chop pepper
joints.
soup today. I don't want to drink this beer today.
Ma,
I
don't
want go
worry.
another. I want go one place go drink ice cream. You get now human being you be. You dey free to do it you like. So now the same thing for relationship. Sometimes you get like your friends. You get like maybe 2-3 friends. You dey hang out with this one today, maybe this one. But you say, I want carry this my guy vibe. You go inside, me not do one or two.
So
things. So what I try to talk
Okay,
be say, what I try
okay.
to talk be say. For me personally, I believe say this one life will come. There's no point trying to do things with the against our nature. You get. For relationship, you don't marry person or you dey date person. You can't like another person. You know, if you know, say when you see person where you find attractive, not we, you just see the person, you just find them attractive. You get. Nobody say you plan am, no be anything. I just say, I like this person. And I ain't be that. So if you feel say, okay, this person where I like now, make I follow and talk.
Okay.
If himself you get that kind of thing. Not do one or two things, now move on. No be say,
One or two.
see, make I tell you something. So
That's
whenever
it.
I
Only
talk
last
this
two rounds.
when I dey talk this thing, people they think say, now because you want to cheat up and down. Me, I talk am earlier, I never actually cheat before. What I try to tell you
Where's
is
Bible?
because again, now this society I dey, all of us they don't condition us to believe
You go
say
take Bible so
once
now.
you don't marry or once you dey this with person,
You dey
any
faithful
other-
to your
you gats dey
partner.
faithful. Well, I'm telling you, now why cheating?
Wait, but it's
plenty?
supposed to be the
Because me, I don't
right thing to
understand why
do.
I go marry now. I can't go there. Like I get guys who they do. They can't they hide. They talk to other
Okay, so
babes,
your
Why?
argument now, as a married person or
You be
person
adult, do what you want
free,
to do. Yes, they free.
do what you want to
Follow
do.
your partner
So now-
talk.
Make
Yes,
I hold you
no
for that
laugh,
thought. Papito, may I come to you?
You do vows when you want marry. Maybe you say vows when they
Now
marry.
why? You know, see my opening statement. I talk say something they will be social construct. Now things we don't tell ourselves. Say more they do am like
construct.
this.
I know
more
she,
we
I
do
know
am
she
like
saying,
this.
I know she saying believe in all those vows.
apply in different settings. The cocoa be say vow day. I don't commit my life to you,
Of course.
and you to me. If I see any woman
But
if I even want to do she I go I do am. I don't go use confidence.
As
talk like
respect to your partner.
Yes, now.
So wait,
So I don't go be like
want
Tunde
to
talk
ask
say,
now.
so
now,
my girlfriend and
so
cheat,
now only
you
sex
cheat.
be the most important thing for marriage.
No, now
Sex
dey
no be,
focus
but
on
sex
today.
na like the
So when
part
wait,
of the bond,
wait.
strong bonds
Part
and
of,
intimacy.
I like
Part
what you
of.
talk.
Yes, part of, yes.
Part of. So when I marry person, the reason why I dey marry the person not because say I want person where I go
They
dey
knack am.
exclusively knack. No, now because say I see this person,
But you
I see this
owe
human
am,
being.
but
wait,
you owe am to your partner.
wait now.
Your body.
I see this human being, and I see say all your
such a
as in,
beaut.
You get you dey beautiful. I find you attractive. That is one. That
Okay.
is part of am. You get, but then you get this personality where I feel say if you dey part of my life, it go pay me. So not be just about the sex. So if you be my wife now, if you get like. If you be my friend, if you be my business partner,
Of course.
if you be you get.
Now I'm
so that
following.
one don't mean say.
And now you dey say you no go mind as your
I
wife.
don't go mind. I
go
just
knack
sex.
another
Now
person.
I talk.
I'll
say,
come back on gist
Now
you.
just sex. The only thing where I want be say me dey open about them. You be my wife, I be your husband. I go work. I see one new babe where they just bring come.
Hey.
So I'm a babe. You get one babe from my office where you get. The same thing for you. Just tell me. No,
You see-
because
you see the pattern, eh?
The reason why you talk this thing because I just feel say it no make sense. Make I can't dey hide.
Okay.
They do
Tunde
it.
pattern
You
it
say
dey
they hide.
very very easy and
Okay.
funny. Imagine say you see babe for road, does the waka. I say for bus stop, you don't say, Fafa babe, your wife to be or your wife go. I just see one babe for this bus stop. Fafa, I feel like all you need is permission for your side, abi.
We be adults now. Why this?
So
thing be
all
big
you need
deal?
is permission.
Why this be big deal? Yes.
Papito,
If the word can change to this, I have
no,
permission.
You know,
yeah,
say
yeah,
people
yeah,
get, you know,
wait,
say
wait.
people get open relationship now.
people they get them.
Exactly.
But we'll go come back to the open relationship. I won't take you back to what you talked before. Trump won't be say something where you talk about say you fit cheat, you dey cheat, but you dey do them out of respect. You know, want make your partner know.
At least.
So make I flip the coin for your matter now. If your woman now you find out say your woman cheats because you talk about say if you dey lick different sweets you go tire.
Go
If you
tire
dey
the
take the
flavour,
same
yeah.
soup, the flavor go tire you. Your woman decide say your flavor don't tire her. She won't try flavor strawberry or flavor vanilla, and you find out say she cheat on you. You go accept to continue the relationship wholeheartedly without feeling any form of resentment towards
Yes.
her.
Look, the thing is, flavor or no flavor,
I
yes,
come
it
against
go
you.
pain me. I no go lie.
Okay.
It go pain me, but no be my deal breaker with that.
Okay.
So you know if you say it makes sense, say as adults, you now you like other people when you dey relationship, boy. Don't you think say as an adult instead to dey hide, we will come dey hurt ourselves later? Because if I find out if your babe wait, if your babe find out say you cheat, you go pain am, you go cause trouble. You if you find out say she cheat,
go pain
you
me.
Go pain you, go cause trouble.
So why you not just do wetin normal adults suppose do? Talk because again, you know say I talk early
your position,
early
yeah.
say you like what you like. There's nothing
But
you can do about it.
I won't get
nature.
direct answer from you. You go forgive her and make the relationship back as normal without any form of resentment.
Yes, because to cheat will
happened
be
to
my
you
deal
before.
breaker. Hold on now. To cheat will be my deal breaker. This guy don't understand something. For this life, endless, it be like number.
Okay.
You know if it end. You continue to see final woman and final woman and final woman with better shape back to back, even when you dey marriage. So you guys give that yourself that caution. Like me,
Caution.
no, now you they talk say you they free spirited, they free minded. If you just call your babe, collect permission to knock another woman because she find her attractive, or maybe you see other qualities with now where you like. Maybe she get good company, she dey get good motivational spirit. Everything you just
No be
so,
even by. So
so
no
the
say
different things wey go make you attractive,
no say
though.
this cheating
So
wey we dey talk.
the list is
No say this
endless.
cheating wey we dey talk. We no talk say cheating as per say other things. We are talking about sex.
Sex in
Na
particular.
Now why you talk
Sex
say
in
na
particular.
just sex?
Sex in
Because
particular.
now why you talk say na just sex? Now the sex we dey talk about. So you get
sex
babe.
is very
so that's what I'm
important.
saying. So it is important. Not say no, it's important. But so at some point you just feel like say, oh, I like this person. I find this person attractive. How far I go like run am? No be say you carry the person for
They
head.
don't fit run my race,
Wait, no be
daddy.
say you
Okay.
carry the person for head. No be say you dey carry
Okay.
the person go out. Now just the sex. You just want get sex
That's
with the
the
person.
microphone there.
You just don't get sex from the person. And now what you they do
But
with
so I
that?
can ask you, Soja,
Chop and clean mouth.
How many of those kind of people you go they get sex from? Because as far as I dey concerned, Tunapa, you go to see beautiful,
Endless.
different women
And
every
that
that
time.
time, where you go dey
automatically, you know what go happen? Automatically, you go use your hand, sabotage your relationship or your
No.
marriage. What do
So
you know why?
you become like
You
say
know
you
why?
don't get
What I
respect for
Thank you
your
very much.
partner.
Another thing be say
No.
your partner now go to see this thing back to back, and this thing no go fit end. Number there are many things that can develop. You can develop addiction out of it. You know, you can even get health issues out of it. You
Of
get?
course, of course,
So now
yeah.
that thing, no even
STD
dey-
and the rest.
also,
Yes, I
you
understand
can
what
actually
they talk.
break down your whole family.
What if
So
you
that
can't
is
go
why
knack person now?
I
You
no
can't
agree
dey
with Tunde.
emotionally attached to the person because the person knack you, give you
now so
snake
now why I
in the
talk
monkey
now why
shadow.
now why I talk say now why I talk
Adadum-dum.
say
That way you talk now. Now my problem with that. All the girls who I don't knock, they don't want to leave me alone. They want
so
to.
now why I talk
They
say
want to
wait,
cause policy.
wait,
But it's a
wait.
mention something. They want to leave.
Now why I talk
Because
say
when I do my own thing,
if
I
you
do
don't
it
see
like
the person where
they will
you
come back
want
for
I
me.
don't
if you don't see
understand.
person
You
you
know
want
we have
marry
done
or
this.
you don't
I
see
never
person
will
where you
understand.
relationship now why you guys dey open with this
Okay.
thing talk about am tell the person say see o me o na my mindset be this na wetin I like to do na wetin I like and now no mean say I go dey jump from one bed to another no be wetin that one mean be that e no mean say I no like because again for me to say I wan date you that mean say you get things wey I know say omo this person every time wey I see am e dey always do me like say make I you get that kind of thing I know na why you be my wife na why you be my husband
you see,
you
because
get
of
but my
Tunde-
problem wait we be see my try talk be say sometimes go dey wey be say you just feel like say you know wetin I wan do wait I wan ask una shey e make sense to una say one man and one woman go marry themselves for like 30 40 50 years
Yes, it makes sense to me.
how you take make sense to you
It makes sense to me because I owe am to my partner.
you don't ask
respect
you don't ask
emotionally,
you don't
my
ask
body and
you
everything.
don't ask people wey don marry before say is there any time where you find other people attractive
Yes,
or is
you
there
go
any time
find.
or is there any time where you just feel like say I wan comot for this house
Of course, it
They
dey.
do am.
But you
They
go
dey do
dey
am. Wait, they dey do
intentional
am.
about staying with your
They dey do
partner.
am.
You see what
They dey do am.
What happened to now? He needs to accept Jesus.
Okay.
Look, normally, if you before you start to do marriage something, they will give you counseling. Counseling go and it go and take all
these
the
things
details.
they are
I dey shocked say na
Counseling.
papi spend dey talk about counseling.
My sister,
I dey shocked say you dey talk about
I
counseling.
tell you, say I dey shit and I'm about to marry. The problem is plenty for my head. I dey manage.
I dey shocked say you talk about counseling.
It shocked me
You
too.
are improving.
Yes,
you are
immediate
getting
observer.
there. Okay, like this. We go wrap up this
But
conversation.
you know, say in your own position, I say shitting. All you need is permission.
Yes, of course, of
No,
course,
no be
of
wetin I dey
course.
talk be
But
that.
How you
I
want to-
no
on
wait
WhatsApp, I for mail.
make I dey clear out
I'm
Okay.
gonna send him
wetin I dey
message.
talk be say
Final-
wetin I dey
final-
talk wetin I
final
dey talk be
this
say
thing.
as adults
Okay.
and as human beings when two adults come into any form of relationship una gats talk the terms and conditions
Condition, okay.
of that relationship and e gats dey exclusive
So
to
your
two
term-
of
your
una.
own
so e
terms
gats
and
dey
condition
exclusive
now.
to two of una so no be by wetin the society talk or no be by wetin una meet for the world
So-
e gats something wey dey exclusive to two of una so like I talk me personally I just feel say no go against your human nature based off say
If you see person wey
Based
dey
off say-
attracted and you wan knack, approach the person gree.
I'm
you
not
knack
saying you
person.
should be indisciplined no be wetin I dey talk
No,
with that.
I get what you're trying
Which
to
I dey
say.
talk with that. I say at some point you feel like you feel that with one person for 5 years and you've not been with
Then,
another
you know,
person.
but for you, you
But
don't
at
mean
some
anything.
point, at any point where you feel like you know what, I want to do other things.
So
why
if you
not?
do that kind
Do
of
am.
thing, it means that you still love
Yeah, you know
that
me
your
say I no-
partner.
you
You
no
know me say
get-
the love don't
you know
even
say
come out
no,
minus
you
one.
no
Perfect.
comot.
Your final
It's
decision.
very
You need to wrap
impossible
up.
to be having sex with other ladies and think say you love what you get for your woman. Go. No go reduce. You go
lie.
do.
And you also
Right.
believe,
You've done
or you
yourself.
also believe,
My
say,
own
person
position.
no fit stick to one flavor.
Yeah, yes, there are different flavors.
Okay.
There's stracciatella, there's vanilla. I taste them
Lagos,
all.
Nigeria.
But at least if I want to do my
Everybody.
own shino, I dey hide do am. This one, if you do
Why
am
you dey
for At least I
See,
get respect.
see,
I
see,
get
with your
respect.
chest.
Calm down, hold up,
You get,
hold up.
wait.
Hold
He
up.
said, I
Okay,
get, you get
let's all go
respect
sleep here
For
today.
not allowing her to know.
You get respect, but you dey cheat on your woman, and you get respect.
I wonder
for
the
her.
kind of respect that
just
woman
want-
be
I
I just
anyway.
want clean mouth.
Why
Chop
you
clean
not
mouth.
respect her for public and also respect her for private? But that one, we could not drag them again because we get to wrap up on top at this episode of Chukmouth Gang.
And that's for wrapping up. Let's go and cheat, please.
wait, never stand up from that chair.
Let's go and
Stay
cheat.
on that
Let's
chair.
go.
So people when they watch us now, or we go watch us, which team you be? You be team Papito or you be team Tunde?
Cheat and hide. Cheat and
Baba,
showcase.
you be adults. You and your partner, me na talk am. Say,
Okay.
Which
oh boy,
team you
I won't
be?
go. You get one guy where I won't run. I just want to run and clean mouth.
I don't
run am.
imagine
Hey!
that. See,
No,
I
no,
go
no,
to
no,
your
no,
woman
no,
talk
no,
say,
no.
Can you give me permission to
imagine
knock?
that kind of conversation.
Let's get
A
to
man
it.
with me, go tell me say, Ada my baby. You
And
don't want
because
it
again, you
like
don't
We are
think say, you
lying.
think say you own your.
You're not gonna
the problem
try
is
with
say,
me.
you know the problem with relationship and marriage because say, we the thing say we don't own. So I marry you now, this I don't own you, or you think say you don't
It's
own.
not a
That's what
deal of
you don't
ownership.
own me.
No,
I don't
no be
own you.
ownership. No,
I don't own
Lampa,
you,
no
you
be
own me.
ownership. Na commitment. Na respect. Na
you
regard.
get intentional, you get
so
to
because I
respect
go
the
knock another
person.
person now, the commitment don't scatter.
Yes, now.
So you
don't
will dey do
scatter.
away, you dey hide do am. Wetin be that?
You can't say don't scatter, but in the height.
But
See hypocrisy.
no,
see
my own
hypocrisy.
fit scatter.
We
No,
got to
pack and make
end.
it try for
We
those
need
bitch.
to
No,
wrap
she
up.
fit not know.
We need
Then
to
you-
wrap up,
you did this thing
gentlemen.
for chest.
Okay, Lagos, Nigeria, Obodo the world. We need to end this conversation. But before we go end, I go ask you this question: which team you be? You be team Papito or you be team Tunde? Tunde believe say they open. Tell your partner say I wanna knock. I take your permission to knock. Papito say you cannot stick to stracciatella, vanilla, and strawberry. You know, you have to change your flavors.
Sorry for breaking you, Ada.
They don't go break you in Jesus' name.
Amen. At least you see the part where you want adopt. Now part of we say they fit easily kill am. My own before they catch a
They
kill.
easily kill
And
am.
Before they catch you.
I dey hide do my own now.
You dey hide
You
your-
they
go
open.
soon pour acid for your head. You go see.
Then they go pour acid. Make I
Make
come
them
work that
catch
day.
you. Make them catch
Anyway,
you.
Sha, Lagos, Nigeria. Everybody, we don't close mouth on top. This episode of Chukma Gang.
Nothing serious, just vibes.
Thank you to Tunde, our home guy, who join us. Tunde, the controversial Tunde, man.
Chai.
Tunde.
We do
You know,
this
say
thing.
we've been guests
See,
one
Tunde-
on.
now this
Tunde
one
cheating.
life-
Make me leave you.
Now this
Tunde-
one life where we come.
Tunde-
Make me
Enjoy
leave you.
am. Enjoy this one
Tunde
life.
cheating.
Enjoy
Now
am.
freelance. Anybody is free to do anything.
Tunde, na free reporter.
Enjoy
Freelance
this life
Now
where
you
you
know how to
come.
move.
Freelance cheating.